Learning window. The words loose and lose in the above sentences have different spellings and meanings even though they sound the same when spoken. Loose means not tight, while lose means to misplace, present tense form of the verb lost. Given below are some words that are often confused by people. 1. It's and its. It apostrophe s is the shortened form, contraction of it is. Example, it's a sunny day today. It apostrophe s is also the shortened form, contraction of it has. Example, it's never been this cloudy. Its denotes possession belonging to it. Example, the dog is waiting for me to open its kennel. 2. Let's and let's. Let apostrophe s is the shortened form, contraction of let us. Example, let's race to that tree. Let's denotes permission. Example, my mother lets me help her in the kitchen. 3. Theirs and theirs. Their apostrophe s is the shortened form, contraction of there is. Example, there's a hole in the box. Theirs denotes possession, belonging to them. Example, they bought this house. It is theirs. 4. Their, their. They apostrophe re is the shortened form, contraction of they are. Example, they're going to the museum on Friday. Their denotes possession, belonging to them. Example, their horse was tied to the tree. There means in that place. Example, go and sit there. There can also denote something that exists. Example, once upon a time, there was a wise king. 5. We're and were. We apostrophe re is the shortened form, contraction of we are. Example, we are exhausted after the long walk. Were is the past tense of the verb to be. Example, we were gathering berries yesterday. 6. Whose and whose. Who apostrophe s is the shortened form, contraction of who is. Example, who's that girl with long hair? Whose denotes possession, belonging to who. Example, whose notebook is lying on my table? 7. Your and your. You apostrophe re is the shortened form, contraction of you are. Example, I know you're angry with me. Your denotes possession, belonging to you. Example, your grandfather came to my house.